When you think of wealth, what images come to mind? Luxury cars, sprawling mansions, extravagant vacations? While these flashy displays might catch our eye, the true path to financial security often lies hidden from view. It's not about flaunting riches, but about cultivating habits that build a strong foundation for lasting prosperity. Take James and Emily, a couple once trapped in the relentless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Stress and uncertainty plagued their daily lives until they discovered a powerful tool: budgeting. It wasn't glamorous, but it was transformative. By meticulously tracking every expense and setting strict limits on discretionary spending, they managed to save $1,200 in just 6 months. This wasn't just about extra cash in their pockets. It was about creating a lifeline, a buffer against emergencies that freed them from the constant anxiety of financial instability. Their story isn't unique. According to the National Endowment for Financial Education, individuals who maintain a budget find themselves not just tracking their spending, but steering their financial destiny. But here's a shocking revelation: 61% of Americans lack the savings to cover a mere $1,000 emergency. This statistic from Bankrate paints a grim picture of financial vulnerability. Yet, there's hope. Those who automate their savings stand in stark contrast to this troubling trend. Consider Mark, a 35-year-old who adopted a simple 24-hour rule for mindful spending. By pausing to reflect on his needs before making impulsive purchases, he saved approximately $200 each month. It's not just about frugality. It's about mental clarity that enables genuine financial growth. These stories challenge our perceptions of wealth. They reveal that true financial security isn't built on grand gestures or luxurious indulgences. Instead, it's forged through discipline, foresight, and simple, unassuming habits. As we delve deeper into these strategies, you'll discover that building wealth without showing off isn't just possible, it's the most reliable path to lasting financial freedom. As we delve deeper into the world of wealth building, we uncover a powerful truth. The path to financial security often lies in quiet, consistent habits rather than flashy displays of affluence. Let's explore some of these simple yet transformative practices that everyday individuals have embraced to build substantial wealth without fanfare. Imagine the power of automation in your financial life. A groundbreaking study by the Federal Reserve involving over 10,000 households revealed an astonishing fact. Those who set up automatic transfers from their checking accounts to savings managed to save over 30% more each year. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a game changer. By removing the need to actively remember to save or resist the temptation to spend, automatic transfers transform good intentions into solid financial habits effortlessly. It's a simple mechanism with profound results. But what about our day-to-day spending choices? A fascinating case study published in the Journal of Consumer Research followed 500 middle-income families over a decade. The findings were eye-opening. Families that consciously limited non-essential expenses saved an average of 18% more of their annual income compared to those who didn't monitor their spending closely. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices. By resisting the urge to indulge in every dining out opportunity or latest gadget, these families cultivated substantial nest eggs that served them well throughout their lives. Now, let's talk about an often overlooked gold mine: employer retirement contributions. Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics highlights a critical strategy: employees who fully utilized 401k plans and took advantage of employer matching amassed over 50% more in retirement savings after just 20 years. The power of compound interest here cannot be overstated. It's an exponential growth opportunity that far outpaces traditional savings accounts. But perhaps the most striking revelation comes from a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research. They tracked 5,000 households over 3 decades and made a remarkable discovery. Individuals who kept their spending levels constant as their income increased amassed over 35% more wealth than those who succumbed to lifestyle inflation. This isn't about denying yourself life's pleasures. It's about making conscious choices, resisting societal pressures to constantly upgrade, and instead building a foundation for lasting financial success. These habits may seem simple, even mundane, but therein lies their power. They prove that wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how intentionally you manage what you have. By embracing these straightforward practices, Anyone can embark on the journey to financial freedom not through grand gestures, but through quiet, deliberate steps toward security. Now that we've explored the power of automation and mindful spending, let's delve deeper into other crucial aspects of building wealth without fanfare. These strategies may not make headlines, but they're the bedrock of true financial security. Consider the often overlooked power of investing. Many people assume that successful investing requires complex strategies or insider knowledge. However, the reality is far simpler and more accessible. Vanguard, a leader in investment management, reports that index funds have delivered an impressive 7% average annual return after inflation over 2 decades. This steady, reliable growth outperforms many more complex investment strategies. As highlighted in a documentary by The Minimalists, directing excess income into low-fee index funds can pave a path to significant wealth accumulation. It's a strategy that's simple, straightforward, and incredibly powerful over time. But what about those still struggling with debt? Enter the snowball method, a technique championed by financial guru Dave Ramsey. This approach involves paying off smaller debts first, creating a psychological boost that motivates individuals to tackle larger debts. In his Total Money Makeover program, Ramsey showcases countless success stories. One couple, for instance, managed to pay off $30,000 in student loans in just 3 years. This isn't just about eliminating debt. It's about reclaiming control over one's financial future. The sense of empowerment and freedom that comes from becoming debt-free can be life-changing. On the other side of the financial spectrum lies the importance of credit. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has established a clear link between high credit scores and favorable loan terms. Take Juliana, a 28-year-old nurse who strategically built her credit score using secured credit cards. This diligence paid off when she secured a mortgage with significantly lower interest rates, saving thousands over the life of her loan. But perhaps one of the most overlooked aspects of building wealth is the power of community. Research consistently shows that social support plays a critical role in fostering positive financial behaviors. Local workshops, online communities, and even informal groups of like-minded individuals can provide encouragement, accountability, and shared learning opportunities. These communal efforts extend beyond just moral support. Some communities are pooling resources for investment opportunities, demonstrating a powerful collective resilience in the face of economic challenges. As we continue to unpack these strategies, remember that true wealth cultivation isn't about flashy displays or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about embodying simple, unassuming habits that, over time, build a robust financial foundation. Whether it's through smart investing, tackling debt, building credit, or leveraging community support, the path to financial security is paved with steady, intentional steps. As we continue our exploration of wealth-building strategies, let's turn our attention to a remarkable story that challenges conventional wisdom about investing. In the year 2000, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, made a bold claim that would send shockwaves through the financial world. Buffett challenged a group of hedge fund managers to a wager. His proposition? A basic S&P 500 index fund would outperform their carefully curated selection of hedge funds over a decade. At the time, many scoffed at this idea. After all, hedge funds were seen as the pinnacle of financial acumen, with their complex strategies and elite status. But as the years rolled on, the data told a different story. By the end of 2017, Buffett had not just outlasted the competition, he had triumphed spectacularly. The index fund he selected delivered a staggering return of 125.8%, while the hedge funds limped along, returning only 36.3%. Why such a stark difference? The reasons are both surprising and enlightening. First, let's talk about fees. Hedge funds are notorious for their exorbitant charges, often averaging a 2% management fee plus a 20% performance fee. These costs effectively siphon off a significant portion of their clients' hard-earned wealth. In stark contrast, the index fund Buffett chose had minimal fees, just 0.05% per year. Then there's the issue of risk-taking. Hedge funds, in their relentless pursuit of higher returns, often engage in high-leverage strategies. While these can lead to spectacular gains, they can also result in devastating losses. The index fund, on the other hand, offered a steady, low-risk growth trajectory, allowing investors to sleep peacefully at night. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of this story is psychological. Investors and hedge funds frequently succumb to behavioral biases, making hasty, emotional decisions that compromise their long-term strategies. Meanwhile, those invested in the index fund could relax, staying the course through market fluctuations, which ultimately rewarded their patience. The lesson here is clear and powerful. Frugal habits and simple, disciplined investing strategies can significantly outperform the allure of flashy wealth management tactics. Buffett's bet serves as a poignant reminder that real financial success doesn't require complicated maneuvers or grand displays. It hinges on remaining steadfast and understanding the foundational principles of investing. As Buffett himself once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This wisdom underscores the value of long-term, disciplined investing, a strategy accessible to anyone willing to embrace it.